press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, hope you are doing well, hope you are taking care of yourselves, and welcome back to the social science class. Today we are going to deal with a new chapter from your section Geography, and that is our state Karnataka, and we are going to deal how did the name Karnataka come, what are the features of making this a state or bringing the state together, making it as one state, what are the different districts, how many districts are there in our state Karnataka, and many other things that have to be learnt in this lesson. Not all is being focused in one lesson particularly, but just an overview of how our state is, what are the different elements that have been focused on, what were the different names that were there for our state Karnataka. Now you have the map of Karnataka in your textbook. Please refer it as we are doing the lesson. Now this is the map of Karnataka, okay, it's there in your textbook, and the Indian map is also there. I know you cannot see it properly from the textbook that I show you here. You may be having a text, please refer to as we are doing the lesson, our state Karnataka. Let me get into how Karnataka was being formed. Now, earlier Karnataka didn't get the name Karnataka, okay, there was no name called Karnataka earlier. Our land was first called as Karunadu, okay, Karunadu. That means land of black soil. Land of black soil, Karunadu, okay, Kar plus Nadu, Karunadu, it was called Karunadu earlier from the ancient times, and then there were different names, and then this formation of Karnataka happened. Alright, did you get the first point? Karunadu. Then later after a few years, it was also being referred as Karunat. Okay, Karunat. Now this was a reference to Karnataka. Karunat was a reference given to Karnataka in the Tamil work. Okay, and the name of the Tamil work was Shilapadikaram. Shilapadikaram was the name of the Tamil work, and in that Karnataka was being referred as Karunat, okay, and earlier Karunadu. This work referred Karnataka to be as Karunat, alright. Now, what does Karunat mean according to their work was a land which is on an elevated plateau. Okay, land which is on an elevated plateau is a higher region, and this land was on a higher region was being referred as Karunat in this work Shilapadikaram. Did you understand this much? I hope you got these two words that were being referred to. Next one is okay, Rupataganas in this grammatical work in his grammatical work. What is the grammatical work? Kavira Raja Marga. Okay, Kavira Raja Marga. Kavira Raja Marga. In this work, they have told that Karnataka has been extended from the Kaveri River to the Godavari River. Kaveri to Godavari River. Okay. Keep this N as silent. You split the Rupert Ungas. Okay, split it so that you can pronounce this. Rupert Ungas. Okay, Rupert Ungas grammatical work Kavira Raja Marga. In that they have said that Karnataka extends from river Kaveri to river Godavari. I hope you understood this much. We shall see next what is there for us. Alright. Next is, as India got independence, it was divided into many states. In 1947, alright, in 1947, 9 southern districts now these were under the rule of the Mysore kings that time. Alright. Now they were brought together to call it as the Mysore state. Alright, when after India got independence, it had to be divided. So whichever districts were there in the southern part were all brought together and they were called as the Mysore state. Alright. After that, each state was being again reorganized, okay, again put together depending on their linguistic basis, that is their linguistic basis, and areas that where people were speaking Kannada, that was in Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu, they were all brought together, okay, Kannada speaking people who were in Bombay. Now that time the map was not properly formed, isn't it? They were still organizing and reorganizing, so people were spread all over these places which are termed now Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu. Okay, all these province people who are there in these province were brought together under one state, okay. And then on November 1st, 1956, okay, they called it to be as the Vishal Mysore state. They called it to be as the Vishal Mysore state once they brought all these provinces together. Alright. Now, and when the day they were brought together in this Vishal Mysore state, and that day we celebrate it as Rajotsava. Okay. Now, in order to remember that day, that is 1st of November, we celebrate Rajotsava. Okay. When is it celebrated? November 1st. Okay, 1st of November, Rajotsava is being celebrated. Now, after that, in 1973, all these people who were speaking Kannada, they brought out a new change, and depending on these Kannadigas, they renamed this state, okay, because of their wishes, because of what they wanted, they renamed this state to be Karnataka. Alright, and that is how we get the name Karnataka. Earlier it was Karunadu, then Karunat was being referred in one of the Tamil works, then they also said Karnataka extends from Kaveri to Godavari river, and that is how all Kannada speaking people were brought from Hyderabad, Bombay, Madras, Kodagu, and they were formed together as one. And then they told it as Vishal Mysuru state, and after which they commemorated this day November 1st and celebrated Rajotsava. After that, according to the wishes of the Kannadigas staying there, they renamed the state to be Karnataka, which we even call today. I hope this much is very, very clear. Now we shall see the geographical location of Karnataka. Now Karnataka is one state among all the other states that are there. Okay, one among the other states that are there. Now, look at these directions here, okay, north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. As I am telling you, you look at this directions also. Now, Karnataka is in the southern part of India. Agreed, it is somewhere on this side here, if you can see here, okay, down. Southern part, Karnataka is in the southern part of India. Okay. After that, in the west central area, western central area of the peninsular region. Okay, you may see your textbook in the map that is given there. Here below, if you can see what's there in the text here below, okay, western central area of the peninsula, this side covered by water, and then Karnataka. Alright. Now, Karnataka extends from it extends from 11 degree 31 minute north, okay, that mark there slash like is referred to as minute, 11 degree 31 minute north, okay, to 18 degree 45 minute north. Okay, this is in your map. See that the numbers are also given in the textbook there, so you can easily understand even in the map given in Karnataka. 31 degree to 11 degree to 31 minute north, 18 degree to 41 minute north is what Karnataka extends, north latitude, okay. Then this is in the north side, 74 degree 12 minute east to 78 degree 40 minute east longitude. All right, 74 degree to 12 minute east, 78 degree to 40 minute east longitude, okay, latitude and longitude. Then its length is 750 kilometer, stretching from, okay, from Arad Taluk in Bidar district. Bidar is on top here, okay, on the north here on top, Bidar district, to the northernmost tip, okay, northernmost tip, that is Bidar is here in the northernmost tip to the southernmost place, okay, that is Chamarajanagar district in the south. It extends from Bidar, which is on top, to Chamarajanagar. In Karnataka map, Chamarajanagar is somewhere over here, okay, Chamarajanagar district in the south, that is 750 kilometers. That was how much Karnataka stretches on. Next, its width is 400 kilometer. That time we discussed north to south, now east to west or west to east, it is 400 kilometer from west to east, okay. Now Karwar in Uttar Kannada, Karwar in Uttar Kannada district, okay, Karwar in Uttar Kannada district, Uttar Kannada is here, Dharwad, Uttar Kannada, Belgaum, that's Belgavi on top and Shimaga below it, okay, you can see the map there. Now Karwar in Uttar Kannada is at the western end, Karwar is on this end, okay, down like this, coastal line, down is the coastal line, Karwar district, and ends at, okay, is in the western end, to Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district, okay, Kolar district is at the eastern end. Alright, did you understand? See the map there. Karwar in Uttar Kannada and Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar, okay, Kolar district. If you can see the map, it is easy. Uttar Kannada is here, okay, and Kolar is here, down, alright, you can see that. After which, now Now this was the geographical location. Karnataka has both, what is that, land and water frontiers. Okay. Now the Arabian Sea is in the west. Okay, Arabian Sea is in the west. Then it is surrounded by various other straits. Okay, Arabian Sea is in the west. Karnataka is also being surrounded by Maharashtra, which is in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu is in the south and southeast. Okay, Kerala is in the southwest. Look at the map, you will understand. Kerala is in the southwest and Goa is in the northwest. Okay. If you see the map, you can properly understand. Look at Maharashtra in the north. Maharashtra is on top. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is on the other side, that's the east. Then Tamil Nadu is in the south and southeast. You can make out Tamil Nadu is here, and Kerala is southwest. Okay, Kerala is here, Karnataka is over here. Okay, slight changes, you cannot exactly locate it. And Goa is on the northwest. Goa is somewhere over here. Karnataka, Kerala, okay, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Alright. Only if you look at the map you will understand. Whether if I write this southeast, southwest, you will not understand. So look at the map and then follow it. If you cannot understand the first time, watch it again. Alright, watch it again, because you have to look at the map to understand it. You want to see it again, just see. Maharashtra is on the top, on the north. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is in the east. Andhra Pradesh there, here down. Then Tamil Nadu is in the south and southeast, between over here, south and southeast. Kerala is in the southwest. Okay, Goa is in the northwest. Karnataka is over here, and then Maharashtra, then Madhya Pradesh, that side Gujarat, okay, Chhattisgarh and Telangana here. But Karnataka is being surrounded by Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, that portion together is, you can see it in the map. Now this was how Karnataka resembles. Karnataka resembles the a cashew nut. Have you seen a cashew nut? What's a cashew nut? Have you eaten a cashew nut? I can't draw the Karnataka map for you, but a cashew nut is somewhat like this, okay? Whatever it is, forgive me for my drawing, but the Karnataka map is also in that kind of way. Alright. Next we will see the size of Karnataka. Okay, it goes on to look at the kilometers, 191,791 square kilometers, okay, 1,91,791 kilometers, and it is the 8th largest state with regard to area. With regard to area that we have, it is the 8th largest state, and according to the 2011 census, we stand in the 9th position with regard to our population. Alright, with regard to our population. And Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. 5.83% of India's geographical area. Alright. Now at present there are 30 districts in the state. 30 districts in the states, and these 30 districts altogether have 176 taluks, 747 hoblis, okay, 347 towns, and cities, okay, 27,481 villages, alright. Did you get that? 30 districts, 176 taluks, 747 hoblis, and okay, small areas that are there, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages we have in Karnataka. Next is Belgavi district. Belgavi is the largest in size, okay, but Bengaluru urban is the smallest. Bengaluru urban is the smallest, and Belgavi is the largest in terms of size. After which Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Okay. Now state has been divided into 4 administrative areas, okay, 4 administrative divisions are being done, okay, that is Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belgavi, and Kalaburgi, okay. Kalaburagi, okay, Gulbarga, alright. 4 administrative divisions are being done: Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belgavi, and Kalaburgi, okay, Kalaburagi, that is Gulbarga and Belgaum earlier. Now the names have been changed. This was our state, Karnataka. There is nothing much, students, in this lesson. Few are the important things that you have to remember. Just look at the fill in the blanks and few questions. You will come to know what is more important in this lesson. Please read this lesson and understand by looking at the map that is being given. Thank you, students, for listening. We shall meet soon in the next class.